Yo, so today I'm going to be doing a super quick tutorial on the channel point redemption setup that I get the most questions about. All you need to do this is the SnapCam app and the MixItup app, whatever streaming software you're using. I'm using OBS Studio, but this also works in Streamlabs and your webcam. So the channel point redemption that I'm going to be showing you how to set up today is basically any channel point redemption that uses a SnapCam filter. So for example, I have a channel point redemption called Banana Time where I turn into a banana. To set this up, before everything that I'm about to show you, download SnapCam, set it up with your webcam, add it to your streaming software as a webcam. If you need instructions on how to do that, let me know. There's a bunch of existing tutorials on that though on YouTube, so you should be able to find that. You also need to download the MixItup app and set it up so that it is connected to your streaming account. I think people use it for Mixer too, but for this tutorial, we're just me talking about Twitch because I just use Twitch. So set it up, connect it to your Twitch account, and then you'll be good to go from there. So first things first, we're going to go over to the SnapCam app and set up a few things. We are going to go into settings and make sure that you have hotkeys set up for turning the lens on and off and for triggering a lens effect. Trigger lens effect is more important if you're going to be using the SnapCam filters that have a green screen option, like the banana filter, potato filter, etc. So if you look at the banana filter, its default is yellow background, but if you trigger the lens effect for it, it goes into green screen. And then you're going to pick out whatever filters you want to do, favorite them. When you go over to your favorites list, there is an option for lens hotkeys, set up hotkeys for whatever filters you're wanting to use for this channel point redemption. And a note on the hotkeys, make sure that whatever hotkeys you have set up for both triggering the lens effect, turning the lens filter on or off, and for the specific filters, make sure that those hotkeys aren't set up in any other program on your computers. Make sure it's not an existing hotkey in a game, not an existing hotkey in your streaming software, etc. Because if that happens while you're streaming, it's going to goof up your game, it's going to goof up your channel point redemption, it's going to goof up your stream. So just be aware of your hotkeys. Be aware of your hotkeys. That's it. After you have that set up, we're going to go over to MixItup and we're going to set up the reward itself. So I'm going to actually delete this I'm going to delete the manifesting reward and we're going to do that over again. So delete that. You're going to go into your side panel here when you open up the main MixItup app and go over to channel points and add command, pick a reward name. Make sure that the reward name is exactly what you want it to be over in Twitch because they have to match. So for your first action, you're going to add external program, pick out the file path for SnapCam, wherever you have it saved. Make sure that you're selecting the executable file of SnapCam, not the folder that has everything. So make sure that it's snapcamera.exe. So you pick your external program. For your next action, you're going to pick input, keyboard, and mouse, and you're going to input whatever your hotkey was for the filter that you're wanting to set up. So for example, the manifesting filter is the letter M. Oh, hold on. Which is right there. There we go. It's the letter M combined with Alt M. After that, you're going to pick the wait command and add that action. For this filter, I'm just going to do 30 seconds, but do whatever amount of time you want to do. And if you go over here, you can duplicate an action that you've input. So I'm going to duplicate the keystroke for our filter hotkey. If you're doing a filter that needs to have a lens effect trigger to do green screen, like the potato time or the banana, whatever, make sure that you're triggering the filter itself first, that hotkey, and then do an input for the hotkey for your trigger lens effect to go into the green screen, and then do your wait time, and then do, you can do the same hotkey again for the filter itself if you want, or if you want to be extra careful, you can do the hotkey for turn lens effect on and off to just turn the filter off completely. And then if you want to try it out, to test the command, you press this little play button. As you can see, it's working. This manifesting filter is a filter that I made in Lens Studio, which is Snapcam's free filter making software. I highly recommend it. It's super fun, and it's free. So there's also a ton of free tutorials out there. The guy that made the banana filter and the potato filter, I believe he has tutorials out for how to do that type of 3D mesh filter in Lens Studio. So I will link his tutorial below in the description because it's really, really awesome and I highly recommend it. So you go ahead and save it. And then next you're going to go over to your channel points and rewards dashboard in your Twitch account. I already have, this is an existing, the manifesting is an existing one. So we're just going to, you're going to do the add new custom reward. Make sure that it's the exact same name as the channel point reward you just set up. It can't be like a different capitalization, no extra spaces, nothing. It needs to be the exact same reward name so that it's recognizing it from the Mixitup app to your channel point setup to Twitch. And then that's it. You're good. You're set up. That's all you need to know. If you know a better way to do this, an easier way to do this that's still free, feel free to let me know in the comments. I am always open to learning more. Other than that, that's it. That's the whole thing. If you want any other tutorials on how I have anything set up on my Twitch account, please let me know. If you would like to hang out, I stream on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays on twitch.tv/lollyflux. And I'll have that link below as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching this. Bye!